Alright, we were right here, I remember. What to do, what to do. So, let's see. Problem was that we have this action array, and if we go to the for instance the fire ability, we see that we have an action command which is do damage magic and a payload of 10, which is the base value of the damage dealt. Since we want to go here and divide the damage that we calculate into soft and hard damage, I need to get a ratio here. We could just add it to the ability data here, but that would mean that every single attack that I make in that animation would do the same thing. Maybe I don't want it to be always the same ratio or always the same critical and so on. Maybe I do want them to have different values. I mean, I can already give different base damage values. Why not also give different values for the ratio and critical hits and so on? Now I could make it like a parsable part where I say, yeah, this is base damage, this is whatever, this is whatever. But if I have many abilities and many chains, maybe I don't want to edit every single thing. Maybe I want to edit only some special view. I mean, I could edit every single one, but maybe I should make something more flexible, so I can have the good things of or the best things of both worlds. For this, do I add it to the ability itself? Like here? There's another value. Abstract ability here. Or do I do it in the ability data asset? It would be here. Where I could also add the base damage and so on. Then again, why? Because I would put it in the array anyway. I would just make it doubled. For base damage at least it makes no sense. But applying something to the base damage, that could be something to consider. Maybe I make a map here. An apply map. And I could add some keys like ratio override or default ratio, and if there is no, it would always fall back to the ability asset, and if he cannot find anything in the ability asset, then it should throw an error or something. But I could also add here an array of like status effects and so on. And then again, I should add these into the ability asset list. No, not the ability asset list. What is it? Here, this thing. Ability action structure. So should I just give up? Should I just add everything into the action array itself and don't make it more complicated? Huh. Yeah. I guess we'll ditch it for now then. You'll go just with action array and then put everything that is needed there. Just need to make it parsable. If I do it parsable, what do I need? We do need, for an attack, we need damage. We need the ratio. And we could add crit chance. I guess status effects could be their own action. Although they maybe need to apply with the hit. If the hit misses, maybe then it does not get applied. So maybe also status effect could be here. And then if I do something like that, and it is like casting a magic spell for sleep, which makes no damage, just make the damage to 0 and add the effect from that list or something. Yeah, could do it like this. We have 4 things already. What else? Then my first idea would be putting them in something like this, like 0.5. Crit chance is 0.5, which is very high, of course. And status effects, sleep. Which makes no sense because we damage, but whatever. So if I do this, it would mean I parse them into an array, and then element 0 would be the damage, element 1 would be ratio, and so on. What if I have any of these missing? Like maybe I don't have status effect, or maybe I don't have any ratio in it. I would still go through everything and expect them where they are. What if they are missing? Could I give them also a key, like in a JSON file? Is that now too complicated? It would be hard to write to maintain or create assets would be a burden. I would always have to write the key. What if I make a drop down, an enum of a key? I guess that works. But how would I put it in here then? It needs to be a string, no? It does not work unless I make it to be here, but I would need a wildcard. Nah, too complicated. What else could I do? I mean, this is okay if I say there's always this, and some of them would be like 0. I mean, yes, I can say it's 0 damage. I can say there is like 0 ratio, which is always hard damage. 1 is always soft damage or something. I need to define that. In critical chance, I can just say 0, and then there's no crits for this thing. Maybe a multiplier, that's what we call it. Status effects, 0 string, a null string. Yeah, I guess this works then. I would just have to always write it like this. It would be hard to read, maybe. Should I just go with this? Well, to maintain this will be very hard. What if I have to balance things? I would have to go every single thing and then write it in this cumbersome string. And be sure not to mistype. Prone to errors. Man! Just want to develop, not think about things. Okay, so still the same dilemma. Do I make a parsable string? Or do I do multiple values? Multiple values, it would always give some unnecessary information. I guess we will go with this then, anyway. Like this. Or should I... Maybe I should go with overrides. Maybe if I have something like this and I parse and it's only damage, but if there is something like this and then I go overrides ratio and I go like this, 0.1, and then it would get it. And if there is no override, then a default is being applied. Now, if we have an override, how do I tell it that the override has been applied? Is that a switch? I guess we put it in here. Should I make a map of defaults or should I make the values really here? Like every single value being here. If I make a map, I can search them, and I think that would be better. And I could look for the override and then just say ignore this default. I would just go. How would I? Would I make a local map, a copy of the map, and then delete the entries that I find? Something like that? Huh. Defaults map. Did I make a string? Or should this be string? I mean, I have also status effects. I could make an integer, but I also have ratios. It must be a float, but with a float I cannot just say, yeah, your ID 1 or something. It would be stupid. I guess this is fine. Hopefully. What if I don't have defaults? What's my default? Oh, this doesn't work. Make a local. Maybe I don't need this. Maybe I should make it an array. Yeah, whatever. That's fine. Here. And we do this. No, it's fine. Nice. I see. I mean, I don't even send anything from the ability, so I wouldn't even know what to override something with. I would need to send the whole ability calculate. Should I just send it through? How would I even know what kind of defaults that is? Oh. As in there's damage type defaults like critical and damage, whatever. But what if there are different things, because an action array doesn't only have damage. Hey, das war's wert. Yeah, I think I know what happened yesterday. How was the audio first? I played a little with it, so I'm not sure. The goal was to sound as loud as other streams or YouTube videos. Have the same volume. What would you say? Am I the same volume as other streams? Weiter! Dude, I'm reading! Holy shit. But very much? What do you mean? Very much. Ah, okay. So what happened yesterday was I was testing my audio pressing record button, and one time I pressed on go live. Now I guess you got the message go live on that moment, but I was still testing. I went offline again. I was testing for 16 seconds and then I went offline. So, while that was happening, you were like, ah, okay. So his stream ended, my message came later, whatever. But I started the stream again afterwards, like I don't know when. And then I streamed for 1.5 hours and ended it. And I also didn't upload that. So now I uploaded it. So if you see the message, I'm probably trying to go live. But something went wrong. Is this faster than this? I wonder. I mean, it is smaller. And we have no calculation issues anyway, so I won't have to bother. I would have to do this. But I need to go with the override, no? Oh my god. Maybe I'm really just doing everything way too complicated than it should be. Maybe I should just not do that. Means for every single attack I need to add some information. This I really don't like this. I really don't like this. Damage calculation still needs to know what kind of element it is, so I have to send this with it, I would say. What if I put every single information that I would need here, and on the payload of the action whatever is only overrides? And I mainly calculate everything from this. Then I have to send this to the action as well, as in the calculation. Okay, let's do it that way. Maybe that's more organized. So the damage base. Now this means that every ability would now have a damage base, which could be left 0, of course. What? You're cooking? I'm expecting to answer right now. Really? Oh my god. Didn't I write this somewhere? God damn it. Did I write that in Paint and never implement it somewhere? Oh, maybe I added here on something and then deleted it again because it was on the wrong position. I say hard soft ratio, what would someone expect? If it's 0, is it hard? I would say hard soft ratio means that if I have a value of 0 means 100% hard, and a value of 1, 100% soft. Since hard is left, soft is right, 0 is left, 1 is right. That would be in my head. Do you write it this way? Multiplier? Oh my god. And cause effect. Can a confused Orpling that is doing a physical attack to himself dodge it? Which means the standard would be always doing hard damage if I have a 0 here. Which is not good because there are more abilities that make more soft damage or only soft damage than there are abilities that make full hard damage. I think there is no ability that makes full hard damage probably. Maybe I should rename this. Maybe this is soft hard. Soft hard ratio. So 0.1 of the damage will be hard damage. Critical chance multiplier. This should be a 1 per default. Yes. And this thing should be none per default. Now if I go to other abilities, on, be fine, yes. So now we have our defaults. We have a damage override here. Oriental music? Is that Oriental? I don't think this is Oriental. What? This is from the game Braid. It is. Okay then. And I just don't know what Oriental is. So we have to send our little thing through there. There's no other way. Plus ability asset template. This asset ability values. And this. And then we go to I guess here we don't care because all the calculation is made by other things. I don't need... Actually, I do need it. I do need it. Make a local out of this. Local ability values. And then first we parse this. This. Make a local parameter. Local payload parsed. Then we go and search. Do we search? Actually, I should make a map out of this. Yeah, change the name. String, wait, no. Also string. For each let's add left side, right side by this. No, by this. There we go, and find damage. Can you help? What? Relationship advice? Are you in a relationship? Oh, all right. Go ahead. With whom? I mean, after that thing. Yeah, I know. But still, who? Do I know? A friend of a friend, I see. Alright, when did it happen? Where does she live? Nearby? There is no way approaching? I mean, you mean there's no way to approach? Holy shit! Dude! Red flag! Abort! 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 My guy! Press the ejection seat! Yeah, but what? If she is in a relationship, then she has to first, like, break up. Look, when I say abort, without your convoluted brain right now, since, you know, feelings and stuff. And please listen. This can only end bad. You said that she might also feel something. What if she's just nice? My dude, that's really bad. What do you mean then? Was there something else? Why is it called base multiplier stat? Ah, because I also multiply it by the strength stat, I remember. Oh, hold on. Goes here, which is here. Ah, okay, I still have to do this. Go on. I see. I mean, I don't know, man. I really don't know. It is a hard situation. It is something she has to clear up with first, you know? If you go there, then you will be the asshole. Doesn't matter what happens. But I mean, it is your life. If it works, it works. But it... yeah, I wouldn't. And you say, low point, how do you know? Did she say? Oh boy, man. Well, you know the answer. Thing is, there is no easy solution to this. You cannot control feelings. There's just no way. No, man. Either you rationally be able to get rid of it as in no, and then you don't feel that way anymore after, I don't know, 3 weeks. Or it could happen that it just gets worse and worse over the time. The only thing that helps is distance. And even then, I mean, I don't know how your feelings work, but if it's something heavy, I can't just turn it off. It might be better after 3 days, but I don't know when you met her. Everyone is different, my friend. You might be not fine afterwards. Talking? No. What do you mean? Like I said, I'm not sure about your situation. If you are talking with her, then you have to make distance right now. If not, there is no other way. Just wait it out, and if it doesn't work, then you have a problem, my friend. Then you need a substitution, I guess. For how long already? I mean, see it like that. I also met someone and it was very, very strange. And I still, after 2 years, still think about that. It's not easy. It really depends on the situation. The only cure is really to find someone else. The other one is risky. You need an iron will or be a robot. Yes, it has to hurt. I know how that ended. How do I calculate this, man? Payloads. 40%! Oh damn. Cool. Empty string. Actually, no, don't do that. Ooh. So, in the payload, there won't be only overrides. I will also put in what? The stat, which is intelligence. Oh, or strength in this case. Asking for a friend? In what meaning? Like asking something for a friend, or are you asking to have a friend? Now you're confusing, man. Confusing me, man. Fighting entity, using ability. Battle. I get the strength. God. I need this. Go here. Go here. Coupling. Internal stat. Will I get this? How did I get it in the other part? Where do I? Oh god. Dude, you don't lose your humanity like that. So we have internal stat here. Opening fighting entity. Ah, maybe I just need to cast. That's the problem, probably. Which means anything that can attack from now on needs to be from class Orpling. Means the summoner cannot attack. Not in the classical sense anymore. I mean, that is the only plausible idea to handle this. All the rest is extremely risky. In many ways. You don't want to open that Pandora box, my friend. I said that sometimes and it never ended well. I know, but asking is also opening. That's not a good idea. It's better to not know the option, but I'm sure you know the option. So we do cast this to Orpling and then go internal stats. Set, no. Get internal stats. Like this. I can then put this in here. And self is wrong. Like this. Then we go strength. Just lurking through a small gap in the Are you sure about that? Sometimes fuck around and find out is not a good philosophy. So we would have the strength here. Which we can send through. And then why do you ask me for options when you know the options? I'm just giving the only rational answer. The others is in your head already. You're dead. I guess you have to be a nice guy there then. And if she makes more signals, then good. If not, you will just suffer. Oh, Zebi. You fell down that rebel hole. Dude, this is extremely dangerous what you're doing now. If you want to be friends, go ahead. But your head is right now not in that mentality. I mean, there is no other way now, since you are in the birthday. Either you cancel, or you have to suffer through some major shit there. I mean, yes, I guess there are worse times to think about these things when your brain is very in a not what is nüchtern? I cannot concentrate. This is correct. This I get from here. So I get damage added here. I need to also add strength, which is here with append str this, and then we go in here with this. I think should work. Of course. Oh god. No, this is no. This. Oh god. What is going on? Oh, there you go. Right. Over, yes. You are not interrupting, it's fine, man. I'd rather have someone to talk than be done in 1 hour. And then had like nothing finished because I was just daydreaming. Oh god, your brain. It's over, man. Now you're memeing about it. You are done, yes. Maybe you should distract yourself with a game like Outer Worlds. Worlds! Oh my god. Outer Worlds. Yeah. That's a good game. Local casting, no. Orb link. user org link. This, maybe. And then put in this. If wait, if there is no strength, then I need to go to an error log. Print. Pile of Shame? A visual novel? What are you on about? Are you the Sebi I know? What visual novel? Ah, I see. Go play Heartful Boyfriend. It's about pigeons. I wonder what visual novels I played. Is 13 Sentinel considered a visual novel? I guess it is, no? Sentinel is a very, very different kind of visual novel, though. It's not about romance. No, Undertale is not a visual novel. Doki Doki Literature Club is a good one. Very good one. That I recommend, it's free. Every game developer should have at least looked into it a little. We have the base damage, we have the strength, then we can go ahead and multiply these. And add it here. Why is this afloat? I don't know. This can be an integer, no? sounds familiar. Maybe Advance Wars or Tetris. Interesting games. Fast games are good because you can't think more on stuff. That's true. Fast games, too, you say? Bullet Hell? Styrian. This one. I rather play shoot 'em ups which are not bullet helly, but Styrian is a exception. I also only play 2 shoot 'em ups, which is Styrian and Axelay, but R-Type maybe too, which is not bullet helly, the old ones that is. Not a bullet hell, but I guess my second or third game could be something considered that way. Depends on if I ever release this one. If I divide 2 integers, I get an integer out. How stupid is that? How stupid is that? So I should keep this afloat then, so I still can't calculate? Something is wrong here. Don't wait too long, my friend. I don't even know when I will release this one. So, we have this. We cast it to a float, which is so stupid, but I guess there's no other way. God. Let me do this. I guess I have to put this in a function. And then we do this. Which should be at the end here. And this should calculate our physical attacks. I still need to do the same thing for magical ones. Maybe I cannot. This is not a function. Or maybe I can. Did I put something here? No, this is from the function library. Maybe I put this into the function library? Then again, how would I get this? I throw it away. Questions, questions, questions. I should wrap it up, man. Already 10 and I did almost nothing. I took 1 hour thinking about how to implement this. And another one, losing myself into the code. Oh well, whatever. Some days are like that, I guess. As long as I don't stop. It's not your fault, no. You think I have pickup lines? I can tell you one for online things. You could go and say, hey, how many friends do you have in your list? And then they tell you maybe the number. And then you go, hey, do you want your number plus one? Like if they say 300, you say, do you want 301? Works sometimes. And I came up with it too, on the spot. I felt so good when it worked. I think that that could crash, man. So, good news. We have the damage calculation for the barrier. Bad news. We are missing it here. What is hard? Well, yes. That's why you can impress someone if you get a good one. Just leaves them dumbfolded and they will giggle and then they will be, oh no, I'm giggling. Both would be alarming in different ways. don't! Ah! That would be very creepy. I'm not so sure, man. God. Holy shit. Now I'm copy-pasting things. I shouldn't do that. Fuck. Maybe I should copy-paste things, find out what things are doubled, and then make a function out of it. How about that? Sounds like a plan, no? What the f... What the f... Oh, calm down. What did you make? I had chicken with vegetables. Like, I couldn't find my usual vegetable mix. I got an Asian one, which had like already some sauce or whatever in it, but it was pretty good actually. Even though it was probably not that healthy, but it was good. Ah, I see. I don't like Auflauf. I don't like things with cheese. For the longest of times, I hated pizza because I never tasted a good one. My first pizza was very disgusting. It tasted like vomit. There was probably cheese, which I really don't like. And that was when I was a kid, like, I don't know, lower than 5 years old. And since then I was traumatized. And I guess, how old was I? I was pretty old when I tried my first pizza then. Maybe 16, 18, something like that. You're starting with these again. Do you have a fucking favorite German word? Holy shit, man. I see. I guess Eierschalen Sollbruchstellen. What was the last part? Sollbruchstellen. Begehr. Something. I don't know. Erzeuger, probably. Eierschalen. Sollbruchstellen. Verursachungsgerät. Verursachungsgerät. Of course. My god. That could be a weapon in an anime, man. Like there's a German character and he says that. I'm not sure if they use must break point. Intended breaking point. How about that? Yeah, but must break points is a little translation challenged. What the fuck is that? Oh damn, really? Was a joke, I guess. Please tell me it was a joke. Yeah, if you say that, of course you will think about it again. It's like losing the game. Alright, I think I will make a cut here. Next up is implementing the temporal stuff, which is like the soft damage and hard damage. So hard. And then I need to get this part either into a function library or in the fighting entity itself, where I can put in my damage key and my stat key. Damage key will always be DMG, but the stat one can be intelligence or strength. And then I need to put it in here. And depending on what's there, I have it here and here with strength, but I will also be doing this part, magic damage. I can use it there too. Something like that. And then this ending part is different depending on barrier or Orpling. This goes in here. This arrow should go away. hard damage, and we have to add the soft damage. And hard damage needs to be plus hard damage. Hard get plus this with this. Do I do this for the barrier? I don't. That's bad. Hard damage equals hard damage plus this, and it goes here. This can also be a function, I guess, because if I see something I have to repeat, I'm already doing it wrong. That calls for a function, I would say. Will you pull tomorrow before the meeting? I would try. I will most definitely pull, don't worry. That means I should also start the project way before the meeting begins, because it needs to probably calculate shaders. Oh well, whatever. Okay. So we will start from here again. Go here and check everything. Well, then there is no problem. Alright, I'm done though. Oh my god. Choose files to save, what? You're welcome, I hope I could help. And thank you for your support. And thanks for everyone who watched. I guess you now know the love life of Das Was Wert. Like in real life? I'm not so sure, man. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And I see you guys next time. Bye bye.